Alright, so help me out, help us God. So in today's video, I'm going to be talking about the trade I caught and the trade I missed. So this week I didn't do much. I didn't do much at all. So if you can see, this week started around this zone. Around this zone. So this is what happened the entire week. You can see that it was just consolidating from here, from this high to this low. This is the lowest point. And for gold in particular is a bit strange. Let me see how many pips. So 700 pips, okay, but it's a bit strange. Okay, so what did I do this week? What I did this week was really simple. So my first trade was here. Was this trade, this side. The reason why I got to this trade was I started building my thought process from the above this zone, just right about, I think, this side. Okay, I think let me use the 4 hour. Yeah, just above this side. So this was my thought process. I'm like, okay, since price is consolidating around this zone, it's likely for price to drop and go and gather momentum from any zone from here before going up. And if you can look at the previous week, you can see that price was just going up to the upside. No, it was just creating structures, no break of structure, no break to the downside. So you can see that it was just creating structure and all these things until on Monday. On Sunday we broke everything. So Monday rather, I took a trade. I think this was, I think my entry was around this side. So I went straight to the smaller time frame. This thing was like, this was how I was perceiving the market. This was how I was looking at. So I had a break of structure here. So immediately I got a break of structure, I was like, okay, since price has broken the structure, the price is struggling to go to the upside. Okay, let me just risk. I didn't risk much. I placed my stop loss around, I think, above this side, and my take profit was below here, this zone. This was my take profit. Initially it was around this side here, down there, but I was like, okay, let me just take here. So 1:3, that was a beautiful trade. It went well, really well. So by Monday, I think 11 o'clock, 12, then I'm done with the market. And then I saw that price was just going up. So after I caught this on Monday, then Tuesday I saw that price was still ranging around this side. You can see that price was still making price was still just making consolidating around this side, this zone. You can see price is just consolidating around this zone. Alright, so when I saw that, I was like, okay, I've already marked out price using this zone to go up. This zone to go. If you can see, there's a rounded this 3,330. Yeah, there about this zone. So then after that I said okay, this could push to the upside, so I entered around this zone. And my target was above, yeah, which was really outrageous. Okay, so I held this position from Tuesday 2 o'clock. Wednesday I didn't get anything, and I got a re-entry around here, this zone. I got another entry around this zone. Place my stop loss here. Okay, and the reason why I got this trade around this zone was here, a break of structure here. So this was a structure, and this was the demand zone, and yeah, and my target too was above this side. That was where I was aiming at. But I was just monitoring the market, and on Thursday, so this happened. So I got an entry on Wednesday, and on Thursday I saw that price just opened up and not showing any wick or anything beneath here. So I saw that okay, since there is a price has already started off just like that, I'm like, nah. Well, every time when candlesticks starts just like that without no bottom wick or something like this, start something like this without no bottom wick, price ends up like, maybe if there's the candle, price end up coming down like this and flipping. You get me? Yeah, so I had that in my mind on a daily, because price has started without no bottom wick. So then I was like, okay, since I'm too early on this, let me just wait. Let me just exit this position and this position. Then I'll wait for maybe in the afternoon, and I'll take a trade. So Thursday, I was waiting for a trade because I've seen another zone here. I was still bullish on this. Seen another zone. And lucky for me, when I exited and price did all this. Price did all this. So I was lucky enough to made that decision. Then on Thursday I was like, okay, since I'm still bullish, let me just mark out this zone and see what price will do over here. And price came to tap. I didn't see anything. So price came to tap because I was still bullish, and the way price was misbehaving and all those things, I was like, okay, if price comes to touch and price breaks this structure, I'll surely get an entry. At the top here. Then I'll enter. Yeah, that was the mindset. But I didn't get any entry over here. So that was it on Thursday. Friday I didn't look at the market because what Thursday printed wasn't pleasing or wasn't nice for me. So I just didn't look at the market. And it's good that I didn't even look at the market because it was just choppy and all those things. No movement, no actual movement. So yeah, that was it on gold. So I took this, I think, let me see, I made 1:3 though on this trade. I made 1:3 on this trade. This side, I think I exited around here. Around here, so 300 and something pips, which is very good. Very good. I made 300 and something pips, which was very good. And yeah, so I think that's a 2 trade I took, and I missed one US30 trade because it started moving when there was a news release. So if you can see, I had it planned that I was going to take this trade. Because it was looking very beautiful, and So as you can see, this was what I was looking at. Price was here before, then news came, and then news pushed it to the outside. And 700 pips was very good. It was a very good trade. Tuesday 700 pips, but I was just focused on gold, and gold also gave me maybe 300 pips. When the other one, it's okay, so I'm okay. So even though the week was a bit no good, like open, like, or no movement like that, it was okay. We managed to make some money out there. Alright, so I think that was it for the whole week. I didn't look at BTC because I didn't see anything that was interested. I was interested. Okay, so on BTC too, I didn't see anything interesting. But if I would have taken on any other trade, it would have been around this zone. I think yeah. It would have been around this zone, this side. This would have been my entry. Just this zone. Yeah, this would have been this side. I think when I go to the higher time frame, I'll see still, but yeah, but my entry would have been around this zone. Yeah, this side. Yeah. S&P 500, US30. Hey, sorry. This one is actually pulling out strengths. Yeah. So I think that is it for the week. And so I took 2 trades and I missed one, and yeah.